The Delaware script allows you to realize your food delivery business idea in no time. It's a clone script that offers similar functionality as the popular Uber Eats, and it can be customized to your specific needs. This video will give you a quick overview of the apps and the dashboard that comes in the package. The demo versions of the apps as well as the login details for the demo dashboard can be found on our website. Let's look at the app that your customers will use to order food. The sign-up process is simplified with OTP-based verification. Email and password is entered to complete the new account setup. Next, the GPS location of the user is automatically determined and the nearby restaurants are shown in a clean layout. You have the space to run in-store ads and promotions as well. Address details like flat number can be added by tapping here. Note that you can set the serviceable areas and various other app parameters in the admin dashboard, which we will demonstrate later in this video. Next to the location, there's the filter button. Users can set veg or non-veg filters, cuisine-based filters, and so on. Users can select the restaurants based on their ratings or search for specific ones from the search page. Alright, let's check out the menu. The food can be customized with add-ons, just like in Uber Eats. Customers get detailed price breakdowns and can enter discount vouchers during checkout. For this demo, only the cash option is shown, but payment gateways can easily be added via APIs. Now that the order is placed, let us move on to the Delivery Partner app. Before delivery partners can start accepting orders through their app, you have to approve their registration manually. This is done via the admin dashboard. Once a partner is enlisted, they can log into the app using their phone number and password. The toggle button at the top allows them to start accepting orders. Now, after an order is placed via the user, the restaurant will get notified on their app. The restaurant can accept and assign the order, and it will then trigger a push notification on the nearby Delivery Partner app. After accepting the prompt, the delivery partner can go to the restaurant and tap Reached Restaurant, which is then relayed to the user so they can keep track of their order in real time. Once the food is prepared, the driver can tap Starting Towards Customer button and the app will help them navigate to the user's location. After successful delivery, they can mark the order as delivered. To allow easy order management, we have this tablet app for restaurant managers. After login, they can manage their orders using this clean and modern interface. And from here, the restaurant can view order details, accept or cancel. Accepted orders are moved to processing section, where they have to be assigned. Now, a restaurant doesn't have to manually assign a delivery person. It is done automatically by our location-aware algorithm. A restaurant manager can also mark certain food items as out of stock under the products page. This fully responsive web portal allows your customers to order food from the browser. It offers similar functionality as the app. The admin dashboard configures both the user app and the web portal seamlessly. Our admin dashboard is designed to give you maximum control with minimum clutter. The home page gives you an overview of the numbers. The details of new, ongoing, completed, and cancelled orders can be accessed from the order management page. Note that you can only view the orders but cannot accept or assign them. Order creation happens from the user app, and orders can be accepted and assigned only by the restaurant. You can set serviceable areas under city management. Easily create geofencing so that the users outside the service areas won't be able to make orders. You can also set commission rates for that particular area. You can add new restaurants as well as delivery persons from the dashboard. New users are added automatically via the user app, and you can view all the users under the user management page. Similarly, the food management page shows all the foods that are being offered by all the partner restaurants. You can generate discount codes here and even promote them by sending out a push notification. And here's the important payout page where you can make payments to the restaurants and the delivery persons. After being enlisted as a partner restaurant, you will provide them with access to this dashboard. Login details are the same as the Restaurant Manager app, and a lot of functionality is also common between the restaurant app and the dashboard. But while the app allows quick access for managers to process orders, the dashboard offers more control for restaurant owners. Order management is the same as the app, and orders can be accepted and assigned from here as well. Food items, pricing, menu sections, food categories, and add-ons can all be added and adjusted easily from this dashboard. So that was a quick look at the extensive features that the Delaware script offers. Don't forget, these apps and dashboards were just demos. You can fully customize them to your liking with the provided source code. And if you want to deploy it as it is, then head over to our support forum where we provide a step-by-step technical guide. You can ask us your doubts in the forum itself, and we'll help you out as soon as possible. But wait, there's more. You can also deploy an online grocery delivery version of our script, which has all the same functionality, so you can expand your business to cover both food and groceries delivery with basically the same script. So get in touch with us and we can discuss more over Skype or email.